Stop. Dottie is a dragon, but she has a secret. She can't blow fire. Every time Dottie tried to be scary, hiccup! A giant purple bubble popped out. Then another, and another. Pop, pop, pop. The other dragons laughed. Dragons are for fire, not bubbles, they roared. Dottie felt sad. She tried eating hot peppers. She tried drinking warm lava. But still, only bubbles. Suddenly, a group of grumpy giants arrived. They were too angry to play. But when Dottie hiccuped a million bubbles, the giants started to giggle. They began to dance and pop the bubbles. Dottie realized her bubbles brought joy that fire never could. But wait. What happens when Dottie sneezes?